In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Spellcheck in a Prezi presentation quickly and easily. If you're working on a presentation and want to catch spelling mistakes as you type, turning on Spellcheck can save you time and help your slides look more professional. This is a simple setting, but it makes a big difference when you're finalizing your work. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software guides just like this one. Let's jump in. First, open Prezi and head to your dashboard. From there, locate the presentation where you want to enable Spellcheck. Click on it to open the presentation. Once the presentation loads, you'll want to look at the top left corner of the screen. There, you should see 3 horizontal lines, which is the menu icon. Click on those 3 lines to open the drop-down menu. Inside the drop-down menu, look for the option that says Enable Spellcheck. Click that option to turn it on. As soon as Spellcheck is enabled, Prezi will start marking any misspelled words with a red underline. That red underline is your signal that the feature is working correctly and detecting possible spelling errors in your presentation. If you don't immediately see the red underlines, just continue typing a few words to confirm that the setting has been activated. You can then go back and correct anything that needs fixing before sharing or presenting your work. This is especially useful when you're creating a polished presentation for class, business, or clients. So, to recap, open your presentation from the dashboard, click the 3 horizontal lines in the top left, choose Enable Spellcheck from the drop-down, and then watch for red underlines under incorrect words. That's all it takes to turn on Spellcheck in Prezi. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.